As a kid, I grew up with cars. My father had a body shop, so I've been in a body shop around since I can walk. My father always told me never to do this for a living, but my love of cars and how much I love rebuilding and, you know, that whole process, I couldn't stay away. Figuring out how to uncrinkle up a mess, you know, and make it look like a new car again was always fascinating to me. I always think about put the car and the customer first, like, you know, what's the best repair for the car and also the safest repair for the customer. You know, I don't like compromising any sort of safety. You know, safety's first because people are driving 80 miles an hour down the highway. You know, you don't want any sort of concern about that. So you kind of hold yourself to a higher standard when you're working on them, and you want to be proud of your work when it goes out the door.